Hello, is this Douglas Scott Smith?
Yeah.
I'm calling you because you actually won one of the trailers.
Cool. Man,
Yes.
Yeah, I'm super excited, man.
Awesome.
Today is a good day because I am headed to Madisonville, Texas. When in Texas, well, you go to Buc-ee's. And here we are.
Welcome to Texas Pride.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations on winning the trailer.
Thank you. All this is just absolutely amazing.
It kind of started out a few years ago. It started in Florida, then it moved here. When it started here, we started out in a small building down the road, and then they started building here, and you can see where it's grown to from here.
If you're popular and you make a good product, then you need to make more stuff because everybody's going to buy it.
Yes, sir. We stay busy.
My name is Scott Smith, and I own and operate Gooch Sawmill in Guthrie, Oklahoma. We're a family-owned and operated sawmill that's been in operation since 1987. My grandfather came across a couple of beautiful, big, tall, straight oak trees. He just could not bring it to himself to cut them up into firewood. And so he found a small sawmill, took the logs there and had them cut up, and immediately he thought, I got to get me one of these. That began the sawmill. In 1999, I actually came in to help my grandfather operate Gooch Sawmill because he was behind and needed help. I was in college and desperate for money. We ended up turning this little bitty hobby of his into a full-fledged business. The two of us ran it very well together all the way up until he passed away. That just left everything to me, and I started running it just on my own. We focus on custom cutting and producing high-quality custom cut lumber for individuals to build furniture, trim, pretty much anything you can build wood out of.
In this area, we do a lot of the roll-off. We've got a new production line we just started over here for the smaller dump trailer.
Is there a particular reason why you guys choose tubing over using channel or I-beam on the dump trailer?
Mostly because it's going to be stronger, just because of the structure of it. So it's going to hold up better, it's going to last longer. It's not going to flex as much as some of your I-beam. It just seems to work better on these types of trailers.
Well, if you build enough of them, I guess you're going to find that out.
So, this is our paint facility. We have 6 paint bays. It's one of the largest paint facilities in the nation. We've got any color you want. We've done pink trailers, we've done purple ones, red ones.
So what you're telling me is if I wanted you guys to paint me a trailer that was electric blue pearl to match my pretty blue truck, you could do it?
We should be able to do that.
All right. With so many manufacturing facilities these days, everything is made by robots, and to see how many people that are getting to support their family by working here, it's nice to see that. I have a finance and accounting degree, but God eventually led me to go work into law enforcement. And I went and worked full-time in law enforcement for just shy of 10 years. The only reason why I really quit law enforcement is because I have injuries to my knees. And I ended up telling my wife, I was like, I'm just gonna run the sawmill. She said, well, is it gonna make enough money? And I said, I don't know. And so that's what we did. And I've been several months behind ever since on orders.
You must be Scott.
Yes, sir.
Hey, I'm Walter.
Walter, it's nice to meet you.
Congratulations, my friend.
Thank you very much.
There she is.
That is awesome.
The 20,000-pound dual ram dump trailer. You saw it last in the torture test with JD.
Yes, sir.
This is kind of a cool thing I want to point out right here. This is the signature of the guy who made the gooseneck.
Welded on the inside?
Yeah, so everybody who makes the gooseneck, they actually, sign their
They
little
have their
name
own
on the
little mark.
inside. And
That's awesome.
You just see how beautiful everything is done.
No, the
All
welds are
done.
great.
Gorgeous by hand, right? And so in here you've got your pump box. So you got dual batteries
Yes,
in here.
sir.
And then you've got a 15-foot corded remote. You want to do the honors? Want to try it out?
Yes, sir.
Want to try it out? Pretty cool, huh?
Oh, totally awesome.
So you got dual 9K axles under there. You've got brakes on all 4 wheels, which is actually really nice. So when you got to stop this thing,
Oh, yeah.
it's going to stop for you.
I'll have to say that they stand by their name. I believe that all these people down here build these trailers with pride. It is a very, very well-built trailer. I kind of got all overwhelmed. You know, I've done some welding in my days, but nothing as impressive as this.
So what are you going to do with this? You're going to put sawdust in it?
I'm going to fill it with sawdust. My sawmill, I produce a rather large amount of sawdust. So I had this idea of getting a dump trailer to be able to remove it off-site to wherever it needs to go. My long-term goal is so that all of my waste that I produce don't actually go to waste. So this is actually going to be a major change for my business and be able to help me conserve my time and spend it properly. And then that way I can have more time to finish orders, but also have more time to spend with family too.
How's that look, Scott? We're looking good?
Yep. Yes, sir.
Not bad for a marketing guy.
Hey, you have to be multi-talented.
Come on, I had to let you do something. She looks like she's ready to go. Sir, safe travels home.
Thank you very much, sir. I appreciate it. We have been helping out friends and family pick up all the branches and limbs that were destroyed in the ice storm. And this is going to be load number 3. Unfortunately, a lot of our trees here have been pretty badly damaged, and you know, there's quite a bit of brush and everything sitting in everybody's yard. We're just trying to help everybody get it cleaned up. So thank you, Jim. Thank you, everybody at Texas Pride. We greatly appreciate it.